This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift up the safety latch, raise the hood, and support it with the proper rod. While you are waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps if necessary. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes at the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrode slightly. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag until the proper gap is obtained. If the side electrode is not exactly over the center electrode, bend it with the adjuster until it is. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Disconnect the negative battery cable before proceeding. Loosen the battery cable clamp bolt, then disconnect the cable from the negative battery post. Secure the terminal aside to prevent accidental reconnection during the procedure. The spark plugs on this model are located on the sides of the engine beneath the valve covers. To access the right bank of spark plugs, the removal of the air intake duct and air filter cover assembly is required. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector. Disconnect the breather hose from the air intake duct. Loosen the hose clamps at both ends of the air intake duct, then disconnect and remove the intake duct from the throttle body and air filter cover. Unclip the filter cover and remove the cover. Remove the spark plug wire from one spark plug. Pull only on the boot at the end of the wire. Do not pull on the wire itself. A special plug wire removal tool is available for separating the wire boots from the spark plugs, but isn't absolutely necessary. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug hole. The idea here is to eliminate the possibility of debris falling into the cylinder as the spark plug is removed. Place a spark plug socket and extension cover over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it counterclockwise direction.
Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new spark plug to facilitate future removal.
Thread one of the new plugs into the hole until you can no longer turn it with your fingers. It is a good idea to slip the short length of the rubber hose over the end of the plug to use as a tool to thread it into place, particularly if the cylinder head is made of aluminum. The hose will grip the plug well enough to turn it, but it will start to slip if the plug begins to cross-thread into the hole. This will prevent damaged threads and the accompanying repair costs. Tighten the spark plug to the specified torque setting. Make sure the spark plug wires are in good condition. Attach the plug wire to the new spark plug, again using a twisting motion on the boot until it is seated on the spark plug. Repeat the procedure for the remaining spark plugs, replacing them one at a time to prevent mixing up the spark plug wires. Install the air filter cover, aligning the bottom locating tab with the notch in the filter housing. Secure the cover with the clamps. Install the air intake duct in the correct direction. Tighten the hose clamps securely. Connect the breather hose to the intake duct. Connect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector. Connect the cable to the negative battery post and tighten the clamp bolts securely.